Hello everyone, this is Darren with Madcap Toys. Today we're doing a What Sold This Week on Mercari video.
And I'm pretty happy about it. We sold a lot of items during this holiday week.
Alright, we had a total of 22 items sell this week on Mercari for $498. First up is
a Barbie Dreamtopia Flying Wings Fairy, and this doll sold for $22.
Lots of Barbies going out, and we also sold some NASCAR collector items this week. Dale Earnhardt on this vehicle for $7.
And then we had a Star Wars action figure, General Maydean. He sold for $8. And does this also include shipping as well?
No, shipping's on top of whatever the prices are. Okay, this is the Who Hot Wheel collector car for $10.
All right, and then we sold another action figure. This one is G.I. Joe Law. It sold for $10.
Some reason we only got the back photo today. This here is the Minecraft collectible set from the game. Magna Cube sold for $10.
All right, and another action figure here. This one is Cobra, and it sold for $12 from the G.I. Joe collection.
Yes. Right, and there we got the Finger Family from Cha-Choo, I believe is how they say it, for $13 plus shipping.
And then we have an action figure from the DC Comics Multiverse Hush, sold for $15.
And we also have some more NASCAR Fastenal diesel truck. It sold for $17 plus shipping.
And then the Magic X series, we've got Nightwing and Glider. This piece sold for $17.
A lot of kids and female toys going out this week for Christmas, as well as some of the Grocery Gang. It sold for $17 plus shipping.
From the Time Lord's Bad Bean Shooter. And then we have, again, from the DC Comics, Cape Crusader Batman. This one sold for $18.
Right, then we got a lovely Barbie doll from 2017, Holiday Barbie, sold for $18 plus shipping.
Had a lot of Holiday Barbies sell this year.
A lot of them.
And then from DC again, we've got
Avengers Marvel.
Sorry. Avengers Marvel Hulk sold for $27, and it was one of them.
It happens. Paw Patrol, here we go, Flip and Fly Marshall, sold for $29.
Lots of Paw Patrol this week selling, including Mercari. Then we have the My Little Pony. This one was a retro collection Starflower. This one sold in box, $29.
Very nice. Then we had some Call of Duty Black Ops action figures go out. This one also sold for $30.
Dr. Edward Richtofen.
Yep.
And Kitty Kids, Kitty Fun Supermarket. This is a rather large item, but it sold for $39 plus shipping on top.
Right. A lot of UPS orders going out this week. This here's Godzilla, King of the Monsters. King Ghidorah, in fact, for $40 plus shipping. And we're selling a lot of the Monster series this last couple of days.
As a matter of fact, Darren, we're selling another Godzilla over here. The Giant Godzilla, pretty big guy. He sold for $50 plus shipping on top. So a lot of great Godzilla before the movie comes out.
Right. And then to round us out here today, it's going to be Dark Magnus from Star Wars Expanded Universe. He sold for $60 plus shipping. Guys, we'd like to encourage you guys to take and give us a big old thumbs up. Share this video. Like this video. Give us a comment. Tell us down below what you liked and which toy is in your collection that we just showed you. All right. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.